That's a good picture.
He came right
My wife
over.
is showing me pictures
Sorry.
of one of our little squirrels, Jack.
Jack's a girl.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good picture.
Yeah, I get it posted later.
Well, it's pretty quiet right now. It's chilly. In the 50s here this morning.
Oh, there's stuff in their nest. That's why it's annoying. See, she must be pregnant.
All quiet now. But it is almost 9. They usually come around 7:30, the break of dawn. You hear them crunching up there. The pecan shelter's full of peanuts and pecans. There, there, and there. And all over the ground. In 100 years, this will be a pecan farm. I wonder how all these trees came up. There's Smiley.
Spencer?
Oh, Spencer, there they go. I think they start hearing us out here. They start coming. I've had a lot of hawks and owls out here.
The snakes.
Snakes. There you go. Oh, there you go. So yeah, there's been a lot of predators out here. There's Snoopy. Oh, dropped it.
That one, she's been stuffing her nest since I was out here earlier.
Mm. All quiet this morning. But with the weather being as it is, they come all throughout the day. It's not like summertime where they stay out of the heat. To get normal temperature, the squirrels tend to come out all times during the day.
He's a junco bird.